Hi, and welcome to this PowerShell quick tip video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look again at the PowerShell execution policy and the reason why Microsoft says that it is not a security system that helps you prevent malicious code from running on your systems. So let's just go ahead and let's just quickly take a look here at what my execution policy is for my computer here. We can see that it is remote signed. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to set the execution policy to restricted. So this in theory should give me the highest level of security in the system here. So let me just go ahead and let's go into my user profile here. And we're going to get to the script here. So if I try to run my script, of course, we're going to see that it can't be loaded because running scripts is disabled on your system. Now, what if I told you that there are two very easy ways to actually bypass this? One way will always work, and the other way will work as long as your execution policy is not set via group policy. So let's take a look at the one that will work if it's not set via group policy, and then we'll take a look at the one that will always work. Now, there might be other ways to also do this as well. These are just two very easy ways that just confirm that this should not be a security system. So if we go ahead and we just do a PowerShell.exe, we could also just run pwsh as well, but you can just do it with PowerShell right here, PowerShell.exe. And we're going to do execution policy is bypass, and then file. We're going to run at script.ps1. And if we run that here, you can tell that the script is actually running. You can see, look at me, I'm a script running. That's how easy it was to bypass the execution policy. Now, this will only work if the execution policy is not set via group policy. If it is set via group policy, that will not work. But there is this other way, which you can then do a get content on the script, and we can then pipe that to invoke expression. And if we run that, we get the exact same thing. Look at me, I am a script running. As you can tell, these are very, very easy ways to bypass the execution policy. So please do not use the execution policy as a security method. There are ways to lock down PowerShell. If you guys want to see those videos, please let me know in the comments section down below, and we can show you guys how to secure your environment to at least limit the possibility of malicious code executing on your systems. But as you can tell, the execution policy is definitely not it. It is very, very easy to bypass using your own commands. And of course, even with it being restricted, all you have to do is open up a terminal window and you can still run any commandlet. Of course, as you saw, we were able to run the get content of a script and execute the script using invoke expression because it pretends as if it's running, as if I'm typing the code in the terminal, which is not blocked by execution policy. If you guys liked this content, please let me know in the comment section down below as well. If you guys have any commandlets that you guys would like me to look at as well, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys found this content interesting or would like to see more, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out, and I will see you guys on the next video.